Sneaky. Okay, I'm gonna try that again with the cat not trying to jump in my lap. Welcome to the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. Don't forget to check the description box for a link to my podcast, which is the How to Be a Minimalist podcast. There are over 20 episodes now on that podcast, all for you to just soak up that minimalist goodness. I have been loving eating a salad for lunch every day, trying to focus on a simple meal that is very nutritious and filling, and I put lots of add-ins on them. I'm not just eating like lettuce. Okay, that's boring. So I've been experimenting with making lots of different dressings as well as putting different toppings on, and this is one that I have eaten 3 days in a row now. It is delicious. I will be adding this to a cookbook at some point, I'm sure of it, and I want to show you how I make it. One of the reasons why I like eating a salad every day for lunch is I don't have to worry about ingredients. I know I need some vegetables, I know I need lettuce, and it makes shopping at the grocery store so much easier. Just like the same reason why I have a smoothie for breakfast. I always know what fruits, peanut butter powder, and different things like that that I need to keep on hand, and it just makes meal planning so much easier. Even if my family don't want to eat that same thing every day, I know what I'm going to eat, and it makes the decision to be healthy so much easier. Also, if you try this salad, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The likes really support the channel, and I appreciate it so much. So let's get on with making the salad. To make the dressing, we have a half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. To that, we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. We're also going to use 2 tablespoons of this sweet Thai chili sauce. We're also going to use 2 tablespoons soy sauce or coconut aminos, whatever you have. You're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so because I eat a salad for lunch every day, I like to add the toppings and make them kind of heavy. So I've got about like a third of an English cucumber here, 1 carrot. I love green onion, so I put a bunch of that in there. I have a bowl of greens that is like about 1/2 of a head of lettuce. I have 1 cup of cooked white rice here, and then a very small avocado that I've chopped up and I'm going to put right on top of my salad. And there it is. You can add in as much rice, avocado, whatever you want. If you have cilantro, some of that finely chopped on there would be amazing. And yeah, just make it to your taste and liking. But this is quickly becoming one of my very favorite dishes. So good. By the way, you might end up having extra dressing. If you do, it makes excellent dipping sauce for spring rolls or just drizzling over some stir fry or anything else that you might make. Or it would probably freeze. Okay, I think I haven't tried that yet, but you could try that. Or just have another one of these salads tomorrow because it's good. I am gonna go and eat my lunch now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other minimalist tips as well as other recipes. Minimalism is a huge part of our kitchen, and it just allows us to eat really healthfully and lots of plants and delicious filling meals. Thanks so much for watching. I know you have a ton of stuff that you can watch, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.